Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Bridgewater local and long-distance movers near. We specialize in local moves within the city of Bridgewater. Our team of skilled and experienced movers is familiar with the city's streets and neighborhoods, allowing us to efficiently navigate through the city's bustling roads and narrow alleys. As a local moving company, we understand the unique challenges and logistics of moving in the town, and we are well equipped to handle them with precision and expertise. When you choose our Bridgewater local TM movers for your local move, you can expect personalized service catering to your needs. We offer customizable moving packages, including packing, loading, transportation, and unloading, tailored to suit your budget and timeline. We aim to make your move stress-free and seamless, ensuring that your belongings arrive safely and on time in your new home within Bridgewater. For long-distance moves, our Bridgewater long-distance 3 movers utilize our expertise and experience to carefully pack and protect our customers' belongings to ensure they arrive safely at their destination. We use high-quality packing materials and techniques to safeguard fragile items and delicate furniture, providing our customers with peace of mind. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bridgewater moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form